Hello guys, in this tutorial I will let you know how we can download a program to an FX series controller with the help of GXWorks2. GXWorks2 is our programming software. We just need to click on project because we are going to create a new program, so just need to click on new. FX is the series and FX3S is the model. We are going to create a simple project with the help of ladder diagram. Just need to click on OK. And what I'm going to insert is an input, say now this is x1, and then simply an output, say this is y1. Need to click on OK. Very first I'm going to compile rebuild all online and then write to PLC. Means the same logic we are going to transfer to the hardware. Just need to click on parameter plus program and then click on execute. There is a caution, we just need to click on yes. Again, after the completion of 100% transfer of the program, again we'll have to click on yes, and then we'll have to close both these pop-ups. Then lastly we'll be going to monitor mode. So if I'm pressing x1, my application y1 becomes high, means converts to blue, and again if I'm releasing x1, so it becomes no again and application y1 becomes low. One more time, if I'm pressing x1, application y1 becomes high. If I'm releasing x1, application y1 becomes low. So this is I'm performing with the help of hardware. But the same if I want to perform with the help of simulator only. So for that I'll have to go to rebuild all, and then again directly I will be going to simulator. After the completion of 100%, again I just need to close this, and by clicking on x1, again if I'm pressing shift plus enter, so it becomes NC means application becomes high. Again if I'm releasing the same button x1, application becomes low. So this is again shift plus enter, NO becomes NC, application becomes high. If I'm releasing the same button x1 becomes NO and application y1 becomes low. So guys, this is all about how we can check a logic with the help of GXWorks simulator. Thanks for watching.